My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Ford Transit Custom. This vehicle has done just under 45,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see that our Custom comes with 9 seats in total. On the steering wheel we have cruise control as well as voice control. On our touchscreen we can access features such as Apple and Android CarPlay, emergency assistance, 4-pass connect, Bluetooth and our mobile apps. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.